This is the Scrub Daddy sponge that I just got off of Amazon. I'm actually replacing our old one and putting this one in our sink now. We definitely got our use out of the old one, used it for probably far too long. But I love this sponge, I love this brand because it's abrasive enough to where like it'll clean your dishes really well and you can like scrape the food off really easily, but it's not too abrasive to where it'll scratch your dishware. So definitely be careful and like read the packaging to make sure you know which dishware it can be used on and which it can't. I know some stove tops you also can't use them on, but I personally like it. It makes for washing dishes super easy, a lot faster, and they're super cute, come in a bunch of different colors. So I love my Scrub Daddy, would highly recommend it.